Question 1. At which event was a commemorative postal stamp unveiled in honor of K. Vaikunth? A. Cannes Film Festival. B. International Film Festival of India 2025. C. National Film Awards. D. Mumbai Film Festival. Answer is B. International Film Festival of India 2025. Question 2. Who unveiled the commemorative postal stamp honoring K. Vaikunth? A. Narendra Modi. B. Pramod Sawant. C. Amit Shah. D. Piyush Goyal. Answer is B. Pramod Sawant. Question 3. Kamikara won the Rum Brand of the Year at which awards in 2025? A. World Beverage Awards. B. International Spirits Awards. C. The Spirits Business Awards. D. Global Beverage Awards. Answer is C. The Spirits Business Awards. Question 4. Kamikara rum is produced by which company? A. United Spirits Limited. B. Piccadilly Agro Industries Limited. C. Radico Khaitan. D. Amrit Distilleries. Answer is B. Piccadilly Agro Industries Limited. Question 5. Luana Lopez Lara became the world's youngest self-made woman billionaire at what age? A. 27, B. 28, C. 29, D. 30. Answer is C. 29. Question 6. Luana Lopez Lara's fintech startup is named A. Stripe, B. Kalshi, C. Square, D. Paytm. Answer is B. Kalshi. Question 7. Microsoft Store Awards 2025 recognized high-performing applications on which platform? A. Android, B. iOS, C. Windows, D. Linux. Answer is C. Windows. Question 8. Under the AI Assistant category, which application won recognition at Microsoft Store Awards 2025? A. ChatGPT, B. Perplexity, C. Bard, D. Claude. Answer is B. Perplexity. Question 9. Who was named World Athlete of the Year 2025? Men. A. Armand Duplantis, B. Usain Bolt, C. Noah Lyles, D. Karsten Warholm. Answer is A. Armand Duplantis. Question 10. Who was named World Athlete of the Year 2025? Women. A. Elaine Thompson, B. Sydney McLaughlin Levron, C. Shelly Ann Fraser, D. Faith Kipgeon. Answer is B. Sydney McLaughlin Levron. Question 11. Nicola Olislayers received which recognition at the World Athletics Awards 2025? A. Women's Field Athlete of the Year, B. Best Female Athlete, C. Marathon Champion, D. Track Athlete of the Year. Answer is A. Women's Field Athlete of the Year. Question 12. Emmanuel Vanioni received which recognition? A. Marathon Excellence Award, B. Men's Track Athlete of the Year, C. Best Sprinter Award, D. Olympic Champion Award. Answer is B. Men's Track Athlete of the Year. Question 13. Who received the first ever FIFA Peace Prize? A. Joe Biden, B. Donald Trump, C. Gianni Infantino, D. Vladimir Putin. Answer is B. Donald Trump. Question 14. Who presented FIFA Peace Prize to Donald Trump? A. Alexander Seferin, B. Gianni Infantino, C. Sepp Blatter, D. Michel Platini. Answer is B. Gianni Infantino. Question 15. Which Bollywood actress was named PETA India Person of the Year 2025? A. Deepika Padukone, B. Raveena Tandon, C. Priyanka Chopra, D. Alia Bhatt. Answer is B. Raveena Tandon. Question 16. Raveena Tandon was honored for contributions to A. Animal welfare, B. Sports, C. Education, D. Environment. Answer is A. Animal welfare. Question 17. Who received the Global Humanitarian Award for Animal Welfare? A. Mukesh Ambani, B. Anant Ambani, C. Gautam Adani, D. Ratan Tata. Answer is B. Anant Ambani. Question 18. The Global Humanitarian Award for Animal Welfare was given by which organization? A. WWF, B. Global Humane Society, C. PETA International, D. Wildlife Trust. Answer is B. Global Humane Society. Question 19. Time named which YouTube CEO as CEO of 2025? A. Sundar Pichai, B. Neil Mohan, C. Satya Nadella, D. Susan Wojcicki. Answer is B. Neil Mohan. Question 20. Neil Mohan is the CEO of which platform? A. Instagram, B. YouTube, C. Facebook, D. Twitter. Answer is B. YouTube. Question 21. Who presented the Shilp Guru Awards 2023-24? A. Narendra Modi, B. Draupadi Murmu, C. Amit Shah, D. Jagdeep Dhankad. Answer B. Draupadi Murmu. Question 22. The Shilp Guru Awards ceremony was held at A. Rashtrapati Bhavan, B. Vigyan Bhavan, C. India Gate, D. Parliament House. Answer B. Vigyan Bhavan. Question 23. The National Handicraft Awards were established in which year? A. 1955, B. 1965, C. 1975, D. 1985. Answer B. 1965. Question 24. Shilp Guru Awards were established in which year? A. 1995, B. 2000, C. 2002, D. 2005. Answer C. 2002. Question 25. How many total awards were given for 2023-24 under Handicrafts Awards? A. 42, B. 44, C. 46, D. 48. Answer D. 48. Question 26. Alia Bhatt received the Golden Globe Horizon Award at which festival? A. Cannes Film Festival, B. Red Sea International Film Festival, C. Berlin Film Festival, D. Venice Film Festival. Answer B. Red Sea International Film Festival. Question 27. Time named which basketball star as Athlete of the Year 2025? A. LeBron James, B. Stephen Curry, C. Aja Wilson, D. Kevin Durant. Answer C. Aja Wilson. Question 28. Aja Wilson plays for which team? A. Chicago Sky, B. Las Vegas Aces, C. Phoenix Mercury, D. New York Liberty. Answer B. Las Vegas Aces. Question 30. Time named which entertainer of the year 2025? A. Tom Cruise, B. Leonardo DiCaprio, C. Brad Pitt, D. Robert Downey Jr. Answer B. Leonardo DiCaprio. Question 30. Time named which group as Person of the Year 2025? A. Scientists of the World, B. Architects of Artificial Intelligence, C. Climate Activists, D. Global Leaders. Answer B. Architects of Artificial Intelligence. Question 31. Which city unveiled the world's largest Lionel Messi statue? A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai. Answer C. Kolkata. Question 32. The Lionel Messi statue unveiled in Kolkata is approximately how tall? A. 50 feet, B. 60 feet, C. 70 feet, D. 80 feet. Answer C. 70 feet. Question 33. CRPF officer Dinesh Khattak received which medal? A. President's Medal, B. Shaurya Chakra, C. Union Home Minister's Efficiency Medal, D. Sena Medal. Answer C. Union Home Minister's Efficiency Medal. Question 34. Dinesh Khattak belongs to which force? A. BSF, B. CRPF, C. ITBP, D. CISF. Answer B. CRPF. Question 35. Advocate Shubham Avasthi received which award in 2025? A. Young Lawyer Award, B. 40 Under 40 Lawyer Award, C. National Legal Award, D. Justice Excellence Award. Answer B. 40 Under 40 Lawyer Award. Question 36. Shubham Avasthi practices at which court? A. Delhi High Court, B. Supreme Court of India, C. Bombay High Court, D. Allahabad High Court. Answer B. Supreme Court of India. Question 37. Ravi DC received which French honor? A. Legion of Honor, B. Chevalier de l'Ordre des Arts et des Lettres, C. Croix de Guerre, D. National Order of Merit. Answer B. Chevalier de l'Ordre des Arts et des Lettres. Question 38. Ravi DC is known as a A. Actor, B. Publisher, C. Scientist, D. Politician. Answer B. Publisher. Question 39. Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar 2025 was presented at A. Rashtrapati Bhavan, B. Parliament House, C. Vigyan Bhavan, D. India Gate. Answer A. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Question 40. How many awards were given in Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar 2025? A. 20, B. 22, C. 24, D. 26. Answer C. 26. Question 41. The Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar recognizes achievements of children below A. 16 years, B. 17 years, C. 18 years, D. 20 years. Answer is C. 18 years. Question 42. Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar is considered India's A. Highest civilian award for children, B. Highest sports award for children, C. Highest education award, D. Highest bravery medal. Answer is A. Highest civilian award for children. Question 43. Who received the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar for cricket achievements? A. Vaibhav Suryavanshi, B. Shubman Gill, C. Yashasvi Jaiswal, D. Riyan Parag. Answer is A. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Question 44. Vaibhav Suryavanshi is how old when he received the award? A. 13, B. 14, C. 15, D. 16. Answer is B. 14. Question 45. The Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar is awarded in how many categories? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 7. Answer is C. 6. Question 46. Which ministry organizes the National Handicrafts Awards? A. Ministry of Culture, B. Ministry of Textiles, C. Ministry of MSME, D. Ministry of Tourism. Answer is B. Ministry of Textiles. Question 47. Who is the Union Minister of Textiles? A. Piyush Goyal, B. Giriraj Singh, C. Dharmendra Pradhan, D. Nitin Gadkari. Answer is B. Giriraj Singh. Question 48. The Red Sea International Film Festival is held in which country? A. UAE, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Qatar, D. Bahrain. Answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Question 49. Which company's CEO Lisa Su is mentioned among AI leaders by Time? A. Nvidia, B. AMD, C. Intel, D. Apple. Answer is B. AMD. Question 50. Sam Altman, mentioned among AI leaders, is the CEO of A. OpenAI, B. Google, C. Meta, D. Tesla. Answer is A. OpenAI.